Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code there, winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Marumo Kana 0, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Bravik.
Steve.
How are you, my brother?
Right and correct.
Ukhala ngani?
Ngikhala ngosikhalo.
Wenzeni?
Usikhalo ushayela inye igoli.
Yeah.
Engalazi.
Yeah, Rocket.
Yeah. Steve.
Hey.
You know, uzominyu ugcina uminyulula.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know.
Uzudedele.
Ima udedele kwenzeke inye.
Pumumoya.
No, let's go back to the game. Steve, lama 1-1 azo stress Steve. Asazi ukuthi kusasa ku social media kuyobe kunjani.
Yeah.
You know, uyabaza already they've taken the premiership.
Yeah.
And bazobe funa Real Madrid or Inter Milan.
Yeah.
So asazothini Steve. That's why I've just called them to stand beside me so that they can feel that they are champions.
Yeah.
But they don't see that the champion is in the middle. So yes, the champion is in the middle.
I agree with.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let them run.
Yeah.
They'll run until they reach nowhere.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
They'll just point it with their finger.
Yeah.
Seeing it going away.
Yeah.
It's for Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
But the good thing is that at least Tibos, we've got challenge this year. We've been used to be like looking our followers like from nowhere, not seeing them.
Yeah.
Finishing the league before it's finished.
Yes.
But it seems this year it's going to be finished when it's time to finish.
Yes.
So our football has improved.
Definitely.
Big time. And you know what? I take hats off. My hats off to them. You know, we can keep on saying, oh, 1-0 is not convincing. But what is convincing is that they are gaining all the maximum points.
That's true.
And they are doing well in the also CAF Confederations Cup, of which I don't know how long they will sustain it. And then probably...
How do you think they are coming out next round?
Yeah, no, they are coming back. They know.
Yeah.
But at least now they are flying the flag very high.
Yes.
Yes. They're standing in for us, standing in for Pirates, even if they're not there. Yeah, but the good thing is that, you know, when you've got someone backing you up, he gives you power.
That's true.
That's true. But, you know, Steve, I don't know how they choose these men of the matches.
Yeah.
You know, I totally disagree about the men of the match today. Maybe I saw it the wrong way, but my boy didn't deserve to be the man of the match.
Yeah.
Why didn't we give it to the goalkeeper? Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah, he did an awesome job.
Yeah. True.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah,
Which-
I agree.
If you count these clean sheets, I don't know how many has kept the clean sheets.
Too many.
Too many. And I think it's about time that Hugo Bruce open his both eyes and check.
Not one.
Not one. Not like close both of them and say no.
And it's got 4.
Yeah, it's got 4, you know. But I think maybe he needs them to be 6. Maybe they must put more on top of the others.
2 classes.
2 classes. Maybe he's gonna say properly.
Yeah.
Yes. What a player, Dinon Love.
Yeah.
If I had to give someone man of the match, I'll give that boy. And people will say, but he came in the second half, almost in the closing stages. But he changed everything.
Change the game. Yeah.
And he stabilized Chiefs midfield.
True.
And they started playing.
Yes.
And what a goal.
From Lilepo.
What a call from Scalo. I call him Scalo because he's always crying, that guy. He falls and then, you know, he trips.
Yeah.
So it's his new name, Scalo.
It's God.
Yeah, Scalo Lilepo. Yeah, it's the new name for Scalo.
I know Lollipop.
Lollipop at least.
Yeah.
But that one you can't.
Yeah.
You can't. It's just something else.
He's a Scalo.
It's a Scalo, that one. It's a Scalo. And my brother can also witness that is a Scalo. Yeah. Remember, guys, the league belongs to Maraba Stars. You can say whatever you say.
Yeah,
yes.
Let me come in.
Yes.
You know, Steve, the league is interesting. Over a time, he was about to fight.
He was about to fight.
Yeah, he's training for wrestling.
Yeah.
Because he's after Kados.
Yeah.
So we are protecting him. I am a fan.
Learn about Sasite, all of that is God.
Is it the fast?
Guys,
No, you should have.
now they're killing me.
Thank you, Pravik. Yeah. Thank you. I'm safe. How about you, London winning?
No, I don't know anything about London.
Sure, Pravik.